morning, I'm Dr. Dominique, the homeroom teacher for grade 2/1. We are going to be talking about personal narratives.
Title: Exploring the Forest by KPIS. Beginning, one sunny day, I went to Shayapum. Shayapum has a lot of trees and bushes. I was with my parents. The air was fresh and minty. My dad said, "Let's play." I replied to my dad, "Hooray!"
Students came up with a cover page, a beginning, a middle, and an end. We will ask them to please also write in dialogue as well and using sensory words, and that's what they learned during the writer's workshop.
Ending. The rain has stopped, but it was time to go home. I was super sad. Mommy said, "We can come again." It was a happy day.
Students then came to school and read their stories in front of the class.
We saw big giraffes. We could take a photo with the giraffes very close. I hear animal voices, people talking, and animals pointing food.
We asked them to read with enthusiasm, answer questions with great comprehension, come to school prepared, and listen to others while they are presenting their stories to the class. It was important to note the content of the students' stories too. Did they start the story at the same place that they ended the story? Was their story about the topic that they chose? These are all different areas that they worked on during their writer's workshop. So thank you very much.